So my sister told me that I had to stop saying, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I kind of agree with her. I find it a little redundant and annoying, and I could say something more exciting. So what can I say?
Hey party people, hey YouTube fam, hey guys, hello.
I don't know, bonjour. Maybe I'll say a different, that's a good idea. Maybe I'll say hello in a different language every time I film a video. So how about for today, we'll start with French. I studied French for 7 years, so that's kind of appropriate. So, bonjour, les amis.
I wasn't very good at French.
Anyway, today I am going to be testing a new eyebrow kit from Profusion. As you can tell, my eyebrows are the only part of my face that are not done at the moment, and when you don't do your eyebrows, you really realize how much of a difference they make. My face looks a little creepy, like the rest of my makeup, everything else is completely done, but the brows, they could use just a little filling in, a little shaping, and a little more contrast, if you will. They're kind of light. So my lovely friends at Profusion are always sending me the latest and the greatest in their line, and they sent this 8-piece, that's a lot of pieces, light to medium brow defining kit. So it looks like it comes with a 5-piece brow palette with primer, dual-ended brow brush, that's this part here. Then it has a brow pencil, clear brow gel, and pro tweezers. So yeah, I thought that I would just do my brows on camera today and test out this fun little kit, which retails for,
I don't know.
let's just get right into it. I'm gonna do my best to make this a quick video. Let's open this puppy up, and we have quite a lot of options. I'm gonna start with the palette, cute little spoolie, and just brush my brows into place. Now we have to use the primer. I've never used a primer. I don't want to use the brush because I'm going to use that, I think, for the color. So I'm just going to take the spoolie and rub it into this a little bit. And then I'm going to brush it into the brow. I think I'm just going to do one brow at a time. So this primer is just supposed to help the brow hold color. So that's interesting. I've never primed my brows before. It's very like, it feels like glue kind of. My brow is locked into place. This baby's not going anywhere. So then from there, I'm not gonna do any tweezing today. I'm just gonna go right into the filling portion. Let's start with the pencil. This is, it doesn't even say the color, but the whole kit is like light to medium brown, which I think is pretty much my arena for brows. So using the pencil, I'm just gonna start by outlining. Am I doing this right? No, you were supposed to use the pencil after you use the fill, but I'm just gonna do this the way that I wanna do it. I like to do the pencil first. It helps me define the shape. Now it says using the brow brush, fill the area from the mid-brow to the front with taupe. So I'm gonna take the taupe right here. You guys know I usually do that concealer trick. I like to put a dab of concealer at the front of my brow and brush it in, but I think that using different shade brow powders might create just that natural gradient and you don't have to do that step. So I like to be very careful at the front of my brow. I don't want to put too much product. It looks kind of good. Now it says to use the soft brown. Not bad. So then it says to define the desired areas using the pencil. So I'm gonna go back in with this and then just kind of touch up. And then using the brow light, we are going to highlight the brow bone. Then using the clear gel, we're just gonna set them. So open this baby up. And I'm just gonna brush. I think that's a pretty decent brow. What do you think? I'm gonna be honest, I am a devout user of the e.l.f. neutral brown crayon pencil thing. I love it, it's $2, it gets the job done. This requires quite a few more steps, but I'm very happy with the results. I think that's a really nice, full, natural looking brow. I'm gonna go do the other side real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did the other one. I think my brows look fine, but I'm just not a huge fan of powder brow products. I just feel like I don't have as much control. I don't think you get the same kind of, what's the word? Precision. I think that's probably the word I'm looking for. I have a harder time shaping and defining them. I think they look fine. I'm gonna rock them for today. This is a really cool kit. It is only, let me look up to see how much it is. Okay, so this entire kit is only $6.99. That's honestly a steal. Like, you could buy brow gel on its own for $6.99. The products I think work fine. I just don't know if I would reach for this when doing my brows on the daily. It's just a little bit more work, but I do think they look nice, and I'm glad I had the opportunity to test it out. Thank you, Profusion, for being amazing as always and sending this over for me to test and review. Brows are just such a defining feature on your face, and I am open to trying anything and everything to shape, fill, and enhance them. I think it's fun. How could you say no to something that's $6.99? If this kit totally blew my mind, it would have been a complete game changer for my beauty routine, but unfortunately, I think I'm still sticking with e.l.f. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I am on the 5K train. We are at 4,500 subscribers, and I know that I'm gonna hit 5 before the end of August. I
feel it in my soul.
I'm so happy because YouTube was such a scary thing for me to start doing. I was terrified to hop on here, and it ended up being like the most fun ever. But anyway, I appreciate every single one of you. I really do. And once we hit that 5,000, I am totally going to be hosting an amazing giveaway just to say thank you. I really, really, really wish I could partner with somebody or figure out a way to kind of thank and reward and gift every single one of you something. There's got to be a way. Maybe like some cool coupon codes or freebies. I don't know. I'm gonna work on it. But stay tuned. Anyway, that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment below letting me know what brow products you use and love on a daily basis. All right, guys, thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.